going on, everybody? Hope everybody's doing good today. So today we're gonna be changing out a power cord on this Sanyo Ptac unit. As you can see, the power cord got fried. So let's go ahead and replace this. All right, so here we go. Alright, you guys, so let's go ahead and start by removing this front cover here along with the touchpad by removing this top screw here. There's one here on the side, and there's one on this side as well right there at the bottom. Let's go ahead and get that removed, and that's going to give us access to the power cord. Alright, so now that we got the cover off, you can see here, if you follow your power cord, we got one line here connected to the capacitor. So I'm gonna go ahead and get that disconnected, and the other one goes inside the control panel here. So I'm gonna have to remove the touchpad, remove it out of the way, so I can get the other side disconnected, or the other line disconnected. Touchpad and cover come off, and here's the other line. Got the other line disconnected, so now we're also gonna have to remove the ground wire. All right, you guys, so now I got the power cord disconnected, so let's go ahead and remove it by loosening up the plastic clamp here by removing those two screws right there. Alright, so now let's go ahead and install the other one. Alright, so come back to the other side, and now we're going to connect the other line of the power cord. So now we can go ahead and secure the power cord. Let's go ahead and put the cover back on. So now we can put our screws back. Alright, you guys, so as you can see, got the power cord installed, and now we're ready to plug it up. Alright, you guys, so let's go ahead and test it. And this unit is ready to go. Alright, so I hope this was a help to y'all. Let me know if you have any questions or comments in the section below, and I'll see you guys on the next one. Alright, y'all have a good one.